Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is Black Sea. Recently Black Sea is in news, so I have picked this topic. First of all, we'll locate Black Sea in world map. I have drawn here rough world map, and Black Sea is in between European and Asian continent. European and Asian continent. Here we have Mediterranean Sea, here Caspian Sea. This is Sea of Marmara and this is Sea of Azov. So larger view of Black Sea I have drawn here to get clarification. So Black Sea is marginal Mediterranean Sea of Atlantic Ocean. At the margin of Mediterranean Sea we have Black Sea and we have Atlantic Ocean here. Atlantic Ocean. Black Sea is bordered by 6 countries. Those are, see here, RRTUGB. Means RRTUGB. Those are Russia, Romania, Bulgaria, Georgia, Turkey, Ukraine. These are the 6 countries which Black Sea bordered. And in the western side of the Black Sea, we have Balkan Peninsula. And in the northern side, we have European plain. In the western side, we have Caucasus mountains. In the southern side, we have Anatolia Peninsula. Anatolia Peninsula is covered almost with Turkey. This is the geographical location of Black Sea, and Black Sea connected to Mediterranean Sea through 2 straits. Those are Strait of Dardanelles and Strait of Bosphorus, and one sea, that is Sea of Marmara. Those are Strait of Dardanelles, Strait of Bosphorus and Sea of Marmara. Together these 3 are known as Turkish Strait. That is, Turkish Strait includes Strait of Dardanelles, Strait of Bosphorus and Strait of Marmara. In this Turkish Strait we have Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge. This bridge connects Mediterranean Sea and Black Sea, and this bridge is in Istanbul, Turkey. And Black Sea connects to Sea of Azov through Kerch Strait. This Kerch Strait. And which all rivers drain into Black Sea means those are River Don, River Danube and River Dnieper. These are the major rivers, and many rivers drain into Black Sea. And Black Sea has one special characteristic, that is meromictic basin. Here meromictic means, that is meromictic condition means, in the water body upper part of the water does not intermix with the lower part of the water, and lower part of the water lacks oxygen. Due to not intermixing, lower part of the water lack the oxygen and it will create anoxic condition. Anoxic condition means lower layer of the oxygen in the water. So most of the basin of the Black Sea, that is the deeper part of the Black Sea, has an anoxic condition. It means it lacks oxygen level. In one more process we have the anoxic condition, that is the eutrophication. In the eutrophication also we will see this anoxic condition. Eutrophication means growth of, that is rapid growth. Not only growth, it is rapid growth of phytoplankton. Rapid growth of phytoplankton in the water body is known as eutrophication. Due to this rapid growth, oxygen level in the water decreases and it will lead to the anoxic condition. This is the very important characteristics of Black Sea. To see the climate of the Black Sea, northern side of the basin has a steppe climate which has cold winters and hot and dry summers. cold winters and hot and dry summers, and in the southern side of the basin has a humid subtropical climate due to the mountain ranges. The southern side covered with mountain ranges, due to that it has the humid subtropical climate in which we have warm winters and decent amount of precipitation means rain, and humid summers. To see the marine ecosystem, Black Sea has 750 species of phytoplanktons, that is plant species, and 80 species of zooplankton, that is animal species, which include fish also, like jellyfish. Examples. And Black Sea has very important political and economical importance in the world. Thank you guys. We'll meet in next video. I hope you understood all the points.